Oh boy. All right, so someone wrote me here saying that this is a toppled over columns right here, that this channel over here, the guy with the awesome mic and the TV newscaster voice, um, sells tools, states this. Let's hear what he states.
4, 5 columns. Now, we don't really know what this is. I suspect this might be the columns with the beam and it toppled over.
So columns with a beam and it toppled over. All right, come to the drawings. This is that material right here. It's a right there, BM33. It's a BM35 and a BM34 combination. It's sat on top of the garage area and integral with it, supposedly, but apparently, yeah, well, whatever. Not quite. Not quite. What's interesting, though, it is sitting over here by this column right here, this column. And as we look at it, it's not fractured. This was a secondary collapse. But this this is very interesting indeed. Um, I mean, it's super interesting indeed. Right here, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns.
That is my guess right here.
See that column right there? It appears to be a column right here. So right about there. So it seems like it shifted forward a little bit. That when the building collapsed, that this rocked forward and made a new position, just shifting the beams all forward off the heads of the columns. So it looks like it's there.
Because this is not like a room or a wall. And
all right, so he got that wrong. And the other one is he's got this palm tree thing going on, right? So let's go ahead and hit that. I don't know what the hell that is. I didn't look at all his video, just a couple of points. What the hell's a palm tree machine? They told me where to look in the video, so I only looked there. I didn't look at it all. This. I think it's kind of cool, this little machine, though. Check it out.
Add a palm tree that maybe it's carrying up.
So he theorizes they use this machine to cut palm trees, and this caused all this fracturing in the deck. Okay, so the witness is being killed off again. These people to keep killing off the witnesses. So stick to tools, Jeff. Stick to selling tools, man. You're very. I enjoy. In my video 6 o'clock, I talk nice about your mic and your radio voice, but your logical thinking is still not there. You should just stick with searching down, tracking down good discounts on tools. This is ridiculous. That machine is huge, guys. There is no gate for it to get through here. That gate is not there. This gate is not wide enough. It's huge. There's no opening for it. So he just magically puts it on the deck and it's able to work. It is huge. And not only that, nobody spec'd it to, it's not discovered to be anywhere there. But the theorization of it just magically puts it here, running around the deck, causing all these cracks. Freaking huge. They're like 8 foot wide. So you're not going to get an 8 foot wide opening this machine through there or through there. It's cutting down a tree, damn it. It's not cutting down a palm tree. I'm sure they have many ways to cut down a palm tree where you don't have to rent a $1,000 machine. I don't know what it costs down there. All right, so that sort of debunks that. The Surfside images. So Surfside, we'll go quickly to, that's that one, right? So where's the empty bathtub one? We should have the bathtub popping up soon, shouldn't we? I guess I gotta change my timeline. Filter, today, and okay, no, we got today. I'm 13 hours ago. I said today, and that's the closest they do. Palm trees. Palm tree did it. Palm tree did it. Miami part 2. Mike Bell. Okay, oh, Mike Bell did a part 2. Okay, 1 hour ago. Let's see if he includes the parking deck. Mike Bell. I'm quite disappointed in you unless I see these comments don't give me some flavor. Let's see what he says. let's see, expensive delamination of the top steel. So he goes there. Okay, Mike. So, yep, you're fair game. You're fair game now, Mike. So you stole my first idea when you put it up. And now you're over here. Good, 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 good. He's still here. All right. So Mike Bell is on crack. This video here is on crack. This is where the witness was. He stated this here. They make about $5,000 on a million views. Right now he's at 242. You should see him his comments on other videos about, oh, you beat me to it. So they do these dramatic fake videos that people come look at, and you get this crap. You get this crap. So what the hell here? So you got BMA's over here, and he asked me what a BMA is. I told him, and now he can't even fucking include it in his drawings. All right. So let's see the rest of this crap. Let's fast forward it. Crap. Basement rubble. Okay, this angle. Yep, he's got that collapsing out there. Crap. It's crap. It's crap as soon as you don't. See, this is the problem with this. These don't show true reactions, but they get a column over here. They get people watching them, and then people believe this crap because you got your brain screwed by a damn animation. You know, animation crappery. Oh, okay, now we got this. What the hell? Now he's showing my floor slab connection. So I'm the only clown that showed the floor slab connection. That's why I thought he stole it from my first one. Now he's carrying it on here with no credit. What an asshole. What an asshole. I talked to him about that. This will be the number 10, but there's a problem. Okay, let's go. That would be about, no. I think it was over here, wasn't it? Where we see a stockpile in the top floor. He's got the bottom floor collapsing first. So that doesn't work. He's got the bottom floors collapsing all in first. Oh well. This is dramatic fuckery here. I don't like these animations. I don't like the animations. They give you conclusive files that are wrong. Alright, so much for stumbling on that one. Let's go back to what I really wanted, was the real data. That's triggery stuff. So it's two of Mike Bell's videos full of shit again. There we go to this video. This video shows take note of where you see the deflection. Lights out. Deflection is going to take place here. Right there. See the deformation right there? Right there. Right over here already. It's already tugging on this all the way down to here. Already tugging. This building is already tugging now. Everybody seems to have this collapsing, and this just collapsing on its own secondarily. It's already tugging on it with deformation all the way down to here. So it shows that this is the column that's the one deformed. These guys are still straight. They're still standing proud. It's not engulfed these columns yet. These columns are pretty much flat. Not until now the lights go out. But not until you get a few frames into it do you start getting these columns starting to deform. But this column's already being pulled over. This building's already being yanked over already. Person down here on 6 or 4th floor, the lady talking to the model, she's already on the phone right about then. It's coming down. All right, so let's just stick with the facts. Not some damn animation. You don't need an animation, guys. If you don't need an animation if you got a real video. So the real animation is a deception. It's not what happened. This is really what happened. Then the floors tug on the back, tug on the side, tug on the back through the rebar. They tug the back wall down. They tugged the back wall over. This is mostly gone. You see where it tugged all the way over to one room left. It's mostly gone. And then the back wall tugs down, and then it rotates that front back of the building of this structure around a little bit, out of 15 degrees in a minute. You're going to watch this corner here. It's not tugging on that back corner yet. Well, indirectly it's vibrating it, but not tugging it. And then here we go. Arc flash, electrical break, or if something goes on, the light. And the stability of the structure is now going. It's going to go out of plane in just a moment. I'm doing it frame. I'm framing it. Let's frame it a little bit more. Oops. So now you got your base, your legs on this thing, if you will, crippled. It's trying to hold up, but there we go. We start getting. That's interesting, actually. Hold on. That light goes out right there. And there we go. We start leaning over now. And our front goes first. It's in cantilever mode because it lost a lot of its columns that are supporting it. It can only hold so much stress before it finally pull out. The pull-out test is a gradual pressure and pull-out. Well, this is basically what's going on when you see this progressive collapse this slowly, considering it's slow. Is that it's slowly pulling on the rebar, stressing it, and then ultimately it breaks free. And then it pulls on the next one and the next one and the next one as it's pulling, rather. And she's out of 15 degrees, right about 15 degrees or so. It no longer can hold itself, and it kicks its legs out from under it, and it just progressively folds under as it tries to grab the next floor, the next floor, and the next floor to support itself. You still see the floors in place here, see? So it's crippling itself from one floor to the next. It's not the top down, it's the bottom up. It's trying to support itself again. It collapse, again collapse, again collapse, again collapse. It tries to support itself, one after another. So, and then you see it's still got the top floors in shape. It's trying to support itself, but it can't. You don't need animation when you got a real video, and you get a good author behind the what you're looking at. So it's quite. You know what? I want to end the video with this. It's quite irritating to see those videos. You know, you talk about misinformation. They should make the animation videos if they're going to sanction people. Say, look, we already have a current video. Your animations are unless you can prove that, unless they match this, they shouldn't be allowed. They shouldn't be allowed because I believe in, like the left, controlling the narrative. How's that? You must control the narrative. I'm part facetious on that. But part is, I don't, that misinformation out there needs to be challenged. And it should stay out there. It should stay out there, but somebody like me needs to come forward and call bullshit on them with their fake videos, with animation. They're doing it for financial reasons. If you look at Mike Bell's channel, where's Mike Bell? He's not into engineering. Let's see, where the hell is it? 4 million views. Right. So he's not into engineering. All right, so let's go here. Oh, this is where I want it. Pause. Right over here. It's back behind there. Wait a minute. This is Miami Harrow Part 2. No, that's his video. Okay. Anyway. Excellent presentation. Blah, blah, blah. Now, let's go. Since he opened the door, let's open the door. Let's go over there. Of delamination of the top steel and the slabs at the building. Let's go into there. He did it there. Oh, my punching shear. Oh, isn't that something? So this clown comes forward on July 20th talking about punching shear. And this asshole Mike Bell Let me go to his content. Bounces away. Look, this is his content. A Russian with this crap here. Over here, we had other conversations he deleted. But down here, let's see if it's still here. Yeah, I really enjoy Kinetic, but I said this, we go back and forth, only down to 5 replies now. One of the engineers on site informed me that I talked about that. So that engineer watching, I'm letting you know that I did try to tell her. All right. Very interesting what you're saying about missing rebar. Okay. Bulkhead, right. The down stand, blah, 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 blah. There's my email. Anyway, Mike Bell is just somebody trying to make money. He's another asshole with the fake animations, the fake locations, gaslighting witnesses, doesn't know how to count the witnesses. So, curse, Mike Bell, curse, the other jerk for coming in late to the party. Curse.